Fifth grade into math lesson 1.5. This is part 2 recording. So we went ahead and showed on number 11 what the estimate would be for that one. Now we're going to get the actual answer, right? Okay, so we're going to take 2,760 times 59. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 6 is, put the 4, carry the 5. 9 times 7 is, plus 5 is, put the 8, carry the 6. 9 times 2 is, plus 6 is, mark off the 6, mark off the 5, mark off the 9, and put a 0 because we're moving to the 10 spot, right? 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is, or 5 times 6 is, put the 0, carry the 3. 5 times 7 is, plus 3 is, carry the 3. 5 times 2 is, plus 3 is, and then add. So 0, 4, 8, 12, carry the 1, 5, 1. So our answer is 152,840 light years. So is our answer reasonable? Yes. Because 162 guys, because when we regrouped right here, so that should have been a 6. So not even quite as much off, right? Okay. So a little under 20,000 difference, right? Okay. Number 12, a commuter plane flies the same route 24 times in 1 week. The route is 1,384 miles. How many miles does the plane fly in 1 week? So we're going to use this number, and then we're looking for how many miles it flies in 1 week. So we're going to take what? 4 times 4 is, carry the 1. 4 times 8 is, plus 1 is, carry the 3. 4 times 3 is, plus 3 is, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is, plus 1 is, mark up the 1, the 3, the 1, the 4, and put a 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is, plus 1 is, 2 times 1 is 2. 6, 11, carry the 1. 12, carry the 1. 13, carry the 1. 3. You guys agree? So 33,216 miles. Ooh. I don't know why we did that. There we go. On your own, 13, financial literacy. Each unit in a new building sells $86,650. There are 32 units available. Estimate and find how much is earned if all 32 units are sold. So we're going to estimate this to what? 90,000 times 30 equals 27. And how many zeros? 5. 4 here and 1 here, right? So come back in and add commas. So our estimate is what? 2,700,000, right? Okay. So we're going to take over here 86,650 times 32. So 0, 0, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry, or plus 1 is 13. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is, mark off our regrouping, mark off our 1 spot, and put a 0 to go to the 10 spot, right? Okay. 3 times 0 is, 3 times 5 is, put a 5, carry the 1. 3 times 6 is, plus 1 is, and 9, carry the 1. 3 times 6 is, plus 1 is, carry the 1. 3 times 8 is, plus 1 is 0, 0, 8, 12, 7, 1, 7, 2. Okay, so come back in and add our commas. So 2,772,800. Okay, is that close to our estimate? Yeah. Okay. Number 14, use structure. Complete the place value chart to find the product of 48 times 7,326. The sum of the products in the table is equal to that actually being worked out. So basically, we're going to do partial products to kind of figure that out. Okay, guys? So what is 7 times 8? 56, then add 3 zeros. 8 times 3 is 24, and add 2 zeros, so 2,400. 8 times 2 is, and add 1 0, and then 8 times 6 is, okay. Next one, 4 times 7 is, and then add, oh, I already did my comma too early. So that's 280,000, right, guys? Okay, 3 times 4 is 12, and add in 3 zeros, so 12,000. 2 times 4 is, and add 2 zeros, so 800. 6 times 4 is, and add 1 0. Okay, so then we can go ahead and add these together. Okay, so let's see. We could add the 280,000 plus 56,000. What does that get us? 336,000. Okay. Then we can add what's 12,000 plus 2,400? 14,400, right? So 350,400, right, guys? Okay. What is 160 plus 800? 960, right? Okay. And then what is 48 plus 240? 288, right? So 8, 4, 1, 6, 1, 5, 3. Okay, agree? Okay, so basically the sum is that, right? Is it 351,648? Okay, they want us to find the missing things in this next problem for the reason on 15. Okay, so 7 times 6 is 2. A would be what? 4. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 4 is 22. Put the 2, carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 30 plus 2 is 32. Does that work? B, what goes in B? 0. Okay. 4 times 7 is 28. Put the 8, carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Put the 4, carry the 1. So C is 1. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So did that work out for us? Yep. So we should have 4, 0, 1. Okay. All right. So opening and describe another method you could use to multiply 358 times 45. So we could do partial products like we kind of did up here, right? Okay. You guys learned that last year where you do place values together and then add them together, right? Okay, so we could do the 1. So 5 times 8 would be what? 40 plus what is the other? Okay, so we can't take the 5 times the 8 yet. We have to do distributive property first. So this is going to become 40 plus 5 because that's how you break apart the 45, right? Okay, and then how do you break the 300 apart? 300 plus 50 plus 8. Okay, and then what do you do with distributed property? You have to plug through all the numbers, right? Okay, so I'm going to take 40 times 300. What is that? 12,000. Then I'm going to take 40 times 50, and what's that? So plus 2,000. And then I'm going to take 40 times 8, and what's that? 320. Okay, now can we just leave the 5 out there by itself? No, you have to distribute it through 2, right? Okay, so 5 times 300 is 1,500, right? Okay, then I'm going to plug the 5 in with the 50. What's that? Plus 250. And then I'm going to plug the 5 in with the 8. Oh, 40. Yeah, sorry, I wrote 8. Okay. So now then we can do what? Add all this together. So mentally, let's put a little bit together. So 12,000 plus 2,000 is 14,000. What's 14,000 plus 1,500? 15,500 plus, let's see, we use those, 320 plus 250. What's that?
That's 570.
570. So 0, 7, 0, carry the 1, 6, 1, and then we have to add still in the 40. So 0, 1, carry the 1, 1, 6, 1. So our answer is 16,000